Mutiga unduire wake thweri ciugaga ucio ni ngombo na ota nyumba na riko ritaumagwo noguo na rurini rwa Luo gutarie. Umuthi makienjera kirira kia unduire wao na gugikindira na cieko muthenya barigici iguru ria nyumba ya Raila Odinga. Kuringana na unduire wa Luo, mundu arikia guthikwo abatie gucakayo nduko inya, nduko iria ona ciana cia mucii itabatie kuonana kimwiri na endu ao. Wari kuringana na muru wa nyina na Raila Odinga, Oburu Odinga.
The fourth night, after the fourth night, that is the day, now normally the funeral ends officially. That is when now the Wagogini, those who are married elsewhere, the girls, they go back to their houses and they go back to their husbands. That is when the boys, who should have been spending the whole night, up to last night, they were not supposed to go back to their houses. It is today that they are now officially allowed to go back to their houses and even touch their wives if they have.
Ni thutha wa kuinikiriria kwa nduko ici, murio wa Raila Junior, atafaniri igongona ria kumutua mutongoria wa nyumba ino, igongona riria ritavanirio kurumirira unduire wao.
To give people blessings of the ancestors is there. So today we want to give this home blessings, and we want Junior, you to take the leadership and take the mantle, and you will go through the rituals. It will start with some little shavings. I know Mama Ida might not want to be shaved, but Junior will do a little shaving for you, and then after, and your wife, after that little shaving is done, then you are going to be given the necessary instruments of power.
Bere no ginya ucwe wa mwana abe amweje njuiri kuonania uturo mweru wa itena ria mwana atari na ithe. Na niguo guthire iguru ria Raila Junior kuria ni ucwe wambire kumweja njuiri thutha uria njuiri yake cokire gutururwo yothe. Igongona riria ritafanirio mbere ya family ni athuri a ruriri rwa Luo muingi wiroreire
na kupewa mkuki na ngao.
Thutha wa kwenjwo njuiri ahubwo mathaga maria matwaranaga na unduire wa Luo. Thutha uria acokire kunengerwo itimo na ngo kuonania hatari nganja niwe waiyukia ithenya riria riranyitirirwo ni ithe Raila Odinga. Akinyita ngo na guoko gwake kwa umotho na itimo na guoko gwake kwa urio, ekirwo nguvia kuonania hinya uria anengerwo wa kugitira family ino na atireu niwe mwihoko wa mucii uyu. Kuma haha imwe kwa imwe muthavara werekera nginya Kang'au ka Jaramogi, haria ituge cia family ino ikometio na haria noho Raila Odinga arahurukirio thikũ inya hituku. Haha riho igongona ria muthia ritafanirio na riinikirira na njira ya mahoya.
Natumaini tunamwombea ukombozi mwisho kwa mama na
Riu Junior niwe gituge kia family ya Raila Odinga. Nyina Ida Odinga agitigirwo wira wa gutara murio na kumwonia njira uyu uri mutugo wa ndiganiro kuona igongona tariri niria tafanirio riria ithe wa Raila Odinga Jaramogi Oginga Odinga akuire. Tagikuyu-ini mugumo warikia kuguka hacokaga ithare unotaguo Junior athugitwo kuiyukia ithenya riria riranyitirirwo ni ithe wari kuringana na mutugo wa unduire wao. Haduine ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.